Okay, let's talk about repairs. Now that the buyers have done their home inspection, they are going to be sending us, sometime in the next few days, a list of what they want us to fix, repair, or replace on your house. Let's talk about what this process looks like. Once I receive the request for repairs from the buyers, we're going to schedule a conference call that we can talk about what they're asking for. I'm going to email it to you prior to our call so you can review it. And we're going to talk about the differences between defects, maintenance items, and upgrades. So let's go through that really quickly. A defect, obviously, is something that's broken or doesn't work on your house. Some of the most common things are leaky faucets, a light fixture that doesn't work, or a toilet that's a little bit loose on the floor. Now, those are all defects. Let's talk about maintenance items. Some of the most common maintenance items are a furnace filter that needs to be changed. Hopefully you did that prior to the home inspection. Gutters that need to be cleaned out, or a bathtub that needs to be recaulked. Those are general maintenance items. Now, we certainly don't have to do those things for the buyers, but if you don't mind doing them, go ahead and take care of them. And then let's talk about upgrades. Upgrades is something that we are not responsible to do. As an example, a GFI plug stands for ground fault circuit interrupter. That is an outlet that is within 6 feet of a water source. If water splashes on that outlet, it trips it, so you don't get electrocuted. It's part of the safety components of your house. However, if you have an older home and the GFIs were not a code requirement when your house was built, we don't have to bring it up to code. Now, if you're an electrician and don't mind doing it, have at it. Go ahead and replace those GFIs. But it's certainly not something we're required to do. So when we have our conference call to talk about what the buyers are asking for, we're going to talk about the difference between defects, maintenance, and upgrades. As always, call, text, or email if you have any questions. I'll see you soon.